Welcome back, and it's time for today's three-stock lunch. We've got three names making headlines today, and our trader today is Eddie Ghabour, managing partner at Key Advisors Wealth Management. Eddie, it's good to see you. Let's start with Crowdstrike, up ahead of its earnings, which are on tap this afternoon. Cybersecurity space has been a hot one this year. What would you do here?
Cybersecurity is going to be huge, and I think they're going to have a revenue beat. We own the name, so we're not buying it ahead of earnings. But if you don't own it, I would be comfortable putting a position on now and then the other half of that position post earnings in case of a big move. But cybersecurity demand over the next decade, I can't think of another business that's going to have more natural demand than this because of the threat to companies. And their AI-powered security platform is going to continue to catch fire. So the outlook is really strong here for this name. We love it.
By the way, I think it's a record high for Crowdstrike today as well, ahead of earnings. Next up, you got Eddie, Microsoft cutting hundreds of jobs just weeks after its largest layoff in years. Shares are little changed today, but it's the best performer in the Mag 7 so far this year. What's the trade for Microsoft?
So we own a 6% position in Microsoft right now in our tactical strategies. It was a contrarian play because, to your point, it was one of the worst performers of the Mag 7 last year. We think it will be one of the best this year. And Azure really had a drag on this stock. And this past quarter, we saw some revenue growth there that exceeded expectations. So they're still continuing to invest in AI, about $80 billion. So we really like Microsoft to be a big winner in 2025.
All right, so bullish. Let's across the board. Does it extend to Tesla? That's our last stock, our mystery chart as well. Shares are up more than 3% today. Adam Jonas calling it one of the best positioned companies in terms of artificial intelligence and robotics and manufacturing. You like this one too?
I do, and I couldn't agree more with those comments. I think one of the best things for us shareholders that happened was Elon leaving DOGE and focusing really back to his businesses, and I think they're being rewarded. And the other thing is, I think too many people are focused on car sales. This is not a car company. This is an AI play, so you have to look at it a little bit differently instead of focusing on that fundamental breakdown and look at the big picture. I think this name could hit new highs, December highs by the end of summer.
All right, next time, come with something you hate.
Okay, you got a deal.
Eddie, thanks very much. Eddie Ghabour.